From neighborhood concern to courtroom challenge, HopeTree's rezoning was back in the spotlight today, with both sides battling it out in court. 10 News anchor Abby Coleman was in the courtroom today and breaks down the arguments and what happens next.
From council chambers to the courthouse.
It's not the court's job to decide if the project is right or not. That is for city council.
Plaintiff Hart is not asking for a judicial veto.
Nearly 3 hours of arguments Friday laid out both sides of a lawsuit, claiming HopeTree's filing process to rezone and Salem City Council's approval violated a legal procedure.
The argument is that council failed to properly consider these factors.
The case isn't about whether the development is a good idea, but whether the proper steps were followed. Plaintiff Carl Hart Jr.'s attorneys argued that the city of Salem violated its own rules by approving a second rezoning application from HopeTree without observing the mandatory 1-year waiting period after the first filing was withdrawn.
He is asking the city of Salem to follow its own ordinances.
But defense argues the first filing was never officially withdrawn to begin with, saying they simply declined to move forward with the first filing.
Mr. Hart is incorrect in that argument, as there never was a withdrawal of the first application.
The lawsuit also claims the city council based its decision on faulty traffic study info and that the master plan didn't have enough details to meet what the city code requires.
The council is entitled to presumption that it knew about all these facts as the application went through.
The hearing drew a large crowd of supporters for Hart, including Carol and Paul Dotson, who filed a lawsuit against HopeTree last year that has been dismissed.
People that live near HopeTree, I think 90% agree.
They say they're worried for the future of the neighborhood.
The amount of devastation that's going to occur to the people that own houses in Salem because of the HopeTree development.
All sides declined to comment after today's hearing. The judge says his decision will come in a written ruling, and that could take up to 2 weeks. The defendants want the case dismissed just like the previous cases. If the judge rules for the plaintiffs, then everyone prepares for a trial. Abby Coleman, 10 News, working for you.